it's T, and I'm here to explain how I'm going to handle my birthday raffle, which I'm having on July 31st, 2021 at 9 p.m. Central Standard Time. So since this is my actual birthday drawing, where it is actually my birthday, so I have decided that people that have sent me a card, a package, that I would do a drawing for those people, so you'll be automatically entered. That also includes people who have sent me a Cash App, and or people who have gave me super chats on live chats the week of July 25th, 2021 through July 31st, 2021. So I just wanted to honor those people that have honored me. So if you thought of me in any kind of way, in any small way, I have included you in the raffle. At the end of this video, I will read off the names of the people that are already entered, so you don't have to do what's required to enter. So what's required to enter is I would like to get a Cash App or a PayPal to Teaquilts at Teaquilts.com email for $3 or more, and you need to send that as friends and family. And also for Cash App, it can be at $Teaquilts, and you can also send the $3+ to there and be entered into the drawing. The reason why I'm doing that is that it also helps me pay for shipping on these prizes. I think I have a total of 12 prizes, and I'm willing to spend up to $10 to ship your prize. I know 1 or 2 prizes may require the receiver to spend some money on postage, but I think it'll be well worth it. So let me show you what we have for prizes. Alright, so we have some charm packs here, gonna be as prizes. This first one has 29 fabrics. It's from Westminster Fabrics, and it looks to be more of K-facet type prints. I'm going to say that, but it could be some Philip Jacobs prints in here because it doesn't say only K-facets. It just says 5-inch charm pack by by Westminster. Sorry about that. So that's what this first one is. Prize number 2 is another fat quarter pack by Boutique Island. It has 42 pieces in it, and it is called Tinsel. Third charm pack is a Moda charm pack by Avant Garden. And it has 42 squares as well. So I'll flip through some of those fabrics. The next charm pack is Moda Eat Your Fruits and Veggies by Pat Sloan. It has 42 pieces, and these are some of the prints that are in there. I'm also giving out a handmade pincushion that I made. It's got one full pocket on this side. On the other side, it also has a full pocket. So I did not separate any pockets on this. So that's also a gift, handmade by Teaquilts. This here is a fuzzy stick. It is a duster, and I will be talking about this more tonight during the live chat. I actually bought this on the Shop Hop, the Iowa Shop Hop, that is. I have 2 of these. These are natural sewing labels that you can put on your quote blocks. You can just use this as a quick label, and then you can just write information around the fancy designs or inside any of the motifs. So I have 2 panels of that I also got on the Iowa Quilt Shop Hop. Sorry about the jerking. I'm holding the camera today. I have 2 of these kits. I'm saying kits because I'm giving you 2 of the Frond's Discovery Tree. Melissa Marie Collins for Frond Design Studio. I actually visited Frond Designs when I was in Iowa as well. I like these trees, so I thought that I would share them with you as well. You can make them, the tree is sideways. Let me turn it. Let's see. I thought that maybe this could be used as pillows, or you can make a table runner where you've got 2 going sideways, or you've got 2 going up and down if you wanted a longer wall hanging or something like that. So you can decide if you want to do pillows, wall hangings, or a table runner with these. So you got 2, that's 1, and here is number 2. So you will get both of these panels in one drawing, as well as I have 2 of these sets to give. So my next gift is also a panel. It's a little bit different, and it's more for somebody that does artistic type quilts. So up in here, this is a big tulip. It's like half, and I got it upside down. So this is like an abstract tulip, and you can then go in and put your lines in when you're quilting. They also use like some, I want to say it was netting or tulle that they put on top to 3D this. It was just really pretty, so you can think of something artistic to do with that. And on the other side, you also have a beautiful panel. So you've got 2 things that you can do with this panel. And this is going to be one gift as well. And it is called Una's Garden by Stephanie Brandenburg, exclusively for Frond. So that's also a gift. So I have gone and counted. I've already showed you 11 gifts. The 12th gift is going to be a box of mystery fabrics. These are things that I have been clearing out of my stash as I'm going through them. I will give you a sneak peek, but there are fat quarters, some yardage, some strings, some crumbs, some fats, some 16ths. I don't know how you say those. Those are like half of fat quarters. So it's like a combination of a whole lot of stuff in here that I feel like somebody could use to make great quilts with. Some of it is just that, you know, it's more not bright fabrics that I'm liking to use now, and some of it is just stuff that I'm just tired of having in my stash. So it's a combination of everything. So this box is stuff, and as you can see, I can barely close it. So that's gift number 12. Final gift is going to be a Go Me. So keep in mind that this box, probably maybe the pin cushion, I'll try to get it shrunk down. It'll be like truncated into something since it's puffy and you just have to puff it back up. But remember that I'm only paying $10 in shipping, and I think this box here will be around $15.50 or something like that to ship. So keep that in mind when you're selecting your prizes tonight. And then I'm also giving out the Go Me. This is not sponsored by Teaquilts. Teaquilts is giving out the Go Me. So I'm giving you the Go Me. It has a mat for 6-inch mat. And it also has 2 dies for 3-inch finish half square triangles and 3-inch finish quarter square triangles, if I'm not mistaken. Make sure here. Yes, right here is what's included. 3-inch finish half square triangle, 3-inch finish quarter square triangle. So you've got those 2 dies, and you can make many, many different quilt designs with that. And in addition to the Go Me, I'm also including with this gift the Go Cube book by Eleanor Burns. Now I will have to box this up. I don't know exactly how much it's going to cost. Of course, it's going to have to go by weight. I'll check with UPS and the United States Postal Service to see which is the best way to send that so that it would be the cheapest. But whoever wins this, remember, I'm only paying $10 in shipping. Any additional shipping will be the receiver's responsibility. So let me just quickly tell you who is entered into the drawing already by doing something, and I'm not going to tell you what that something is until tonight. I just want people, I don't want to say it over and over again what people gave me. I just want to tell you who's entered. So if you've already done one of these things, you don't have to do the requirements for entering this draw. So far I have Stephanie of Memoirs of a Lungworm Quilter, Teresa Bullard, who is Wash Your Hands, Mario D, Eric Oda, Darlene Crosby, Carla Ford, Judy Brown, T. Roberts. I don't know if I saw your thing or not, but I will be checking with that. I have to go onto my machine. So you are possible. Susan T. Phyllis G. Claudette Bettis. Helena Marie Carter. Melissa LePage. Beth Bullard. Sue Tromler. Judy Cooey, Kevin the Quilter, Janet Mackerel, Betsy Lighton, Kathy Galen, Bonita Nance. So if you think that you've done something to qualify for being here and I missed your name, please let me know. I just checked my P.O. box and those are the names that I have thus far. So again, you need to donate at least $3+ to my Cash App, $Teaquilts, or send it to me through PayPal, teaquilts@paypal.com, in order to be eligible to win any drawings. And remember that the heavier gift items that I have, I'm paying up to $10 in shipping, and I can only do so much as a small business, so that's why I'm asking people to, if you've blessed me, I'm putting you into the drawing for you to have the opportunity to be blessed. And I think last I counted, I had 13 gift items to give. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you Saturday night, July 31st, 2021 at 9 p.m. Central Standard Time in the live chat. Thank you. Thank you all so much for watching. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Share my channel with your other quilting friends, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye, Teaquilters. Stay blessed.